Hey guys, today let's try to send big files in Discord even though you do not have Nitro. So if you would like to go ahead and send big files over on your Discord application, this is going to be pretty easy guys. All we need to do first is to upload that file onto our Google Drive application. Now why do we need to do this? Since not all files are supported on Discord, especially if it's a larger file, you might experience some problems uploading that. So my advice is to upload it on Google Drive first and then proceed with sending it to the user on Discord. So supposedly, let's assume that this is the file that you have uploaded on Google Drive. Just tap on share or manage access and then tap on anyone with the link. Of course, set it to anyone with the link over here on general access, and then tap on viewer and set it to editor so that the person could also download the file and not only view the file on your Google Drive link. So once you have copied that link, just send it over to Discord on this preferred user, and essentially that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.